Page 105, Country Gardens. At the bottom of the page, a very famous melody by Percy Grainger. Here again, we're harmonizing. They give you the melody across the top. There's a grand staff for the melody, and there's a grand staff underneath. It's a duet. So one person is playing the top line, and then the other person is playing the bottom line, the accompaniment. Not much of a duet. Whenever one has a solo all the way through and one has accompaniment, it's more like a solo playing with accompaniment. To me, a duet is more when you get equal time. You each get a little bit of the solo once in a while, and you're taking turns as to who's accompanying who. However, technically, two people playing together, it's a duet. So it's one line long, one sharp, or in key of G major, all the F's are sharped, 4/4 time melody. And then the accompaniment. Well, first let's make sure we got the chords. Now, they give you the C or the G chord here, and then the C chord, D chord, G, C or G, excuse me, C minor, D, G. Now it's a G augmented. So you're going right here. You just raise that up. C, D, G, G, C minor, D, G. So I gotta make sure I got the chords okay. And I don't like the idea of playing up here if the melody's here. So it'd probably be better to play the melody up here and stay above all of this stuff. Otherwise, we need to be playing the chords down here. Play the right hand an octave lower. Something like that. You have to adjust when there's two people playing. The sound needs to blend well, and you can't do it when you're both playing in the same region at the same time. It doesn't work very well. Well, let's just do it this way. It was written. That's what they did, so that's what we'll do. And now we're just playing the root of the chord on the left hand, and we're playing the block chord on the right hand. So it's a G, a C, D, G, G, C minor, D, G, G augmented, just come up a little bit, C, D, G, and then G again, C minor, so come down, D, G. Yeah, you play around with it. You can play other patterns of this left hand. Keep in mind, this is a dance. It's a happy dance, okay.